Hello, everyone, and welcome back to a brand new episode of Radical Lifestyle. Today's video is about a simple but very tasty South Indian fish fry called Dhindigul fish fry. Dhindigul is a city in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu, which is quite famous for its cuisine like Dhindigul thalpakatti biriyani. This fish fry is easy to make and it's very tasty and crunchy. So sit back and enjoy the video. But first, let's take a quick look at the ingredients. To make this special fish fry, we have some fish fillets here. I have white fish, but you can use any other type of fish you like. They're already cut into fillets and they're already washed and they're ready to be marinated. So first we need 1.5 tablespoons of red chili powder. Next we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Next we're adding 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder. Then we're adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Next, half a teaspoon of garam masala. Next, we're going to add half a teaspoon of fennel powder. Next, we're going to add 2 spoons of corn flour. Next, we're adding 1 spoon of rice flour. We're adding 1 sprig of curry leaves. And then we're adding some salt. Then finally, we're adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now we're going to mix all the dry ingredients. After all the dry ingredients are mixed, we're going to add the juice of half a lemon. Now we're going to mix the lime juice with the rest of the ingredients. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. We're going to mix it all well again. Now we're going to add some water to make it into a nice paste. We're going to mix it until it's nice and smooth and make sure there are no clumps in between. Okay, now it's time to marinate. We're taking 1 of the fish fillets and going to put the marinade on the fish. Make sure you spread the masala nice and evenly over the whole fish. Okay, so all of the fish are now marinated. Now we're going to let it set for an hour in the refrigerator. Okay, so we marinated our fish for about an hour now. Now we're going to getting ready to cook. So we've got a pan going here. I'm going to add some cooking oil. You can also add coconut oil to bring in an extra flavor. Once the oil is hot, we're going to add a few curry leaves. This will help bring out some flavor and it will also prevent the fish from breaking while we're frying it. Now let's fry these on a medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Now let's flip these over and cook the other side. So the fish is done. We're gonna transfer it to our plate now. I've got a plate with a paper towel on it to absorb any excess oil from the fish. Now let's fry the rest of the fish just like this. Okay, so our Dhindigul fish fry is ready. So this is how it looks. It's tasty and crunchy and easy to make. Give it a try and let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.